Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix cellular data not working issue on your iPhones after 17.4.1 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, they are facing an issue of cellular data, that their cellular data is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix cellular data not working issue on your iPhones. But guys, unfortunately, I don't have inserted the same on my iPhone, but I will give you some tips and tricks from which you can simply fix your iPhone cellular data. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your cellular data settings. Ensure that cellular data is enabled on your iPhone. You have to simply go to the control center on your iPhone, and from here you can simply enable the cellular data. After this, then you have to do is simply start your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is simply toggle your airplane mode on and off. Turn on airplane mode for about 30 seconds and then turn it off back. This action can simply restart your connectivity issues. So guys, after this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. To do this, you have to simply go to the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone cellular data not working issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.